Hi there, my name's Miss Becky and I'm here with your therapist tip of the day. Today we're going to be talking about offering choices. This is a wonderful therapy technique we use to elicit language. It can be used with kiddos who are nonverbal and are targeting just pointing to an object, all the way to those kids who are working on expanding their sentence structure to include multiple words. This technique helps to increase communication, but it also helps to give the kids a little bit of control over their environment. My demonstration today is play-based, but this does not have to be done with toys. You have hundreds of opportunities throughout your daily life to offer choices. Some of my favorite toys to use when targeting this skill are puzzles, trains, or Mr. Potato Head. But you can do this with anything that has more than one option. You do need to hold the pieces, either in a bag, which is what I typically do, a Ziploc bag, a container, or simply just putting them in your lap. But it is very important that you have control over the pieces, because if the child can independently access the toy, there's no real reason for them to communicate with you. You also want to make sure that the environment is set up for success. You want to make sure the child is sitting in front of you so you can have good eye contact and engagement, and you want to make sure the other distractions in the room are gone, such as a sibling playing or a TV being on. That way the child can really focus on the language that you're presenting. Once you've set up the environment, you're going to take two of the objects. For example, we're going to do this puzzle. So I'm going to take the two objects and use what we call your tell me face. So you're going to kind of lean in, maybe raise your eyebrows a little bit so that the child can read that social cue to see that you're waiting for them to respond. You're going to use clear and very concise language. You don't want to add a bunch of extra words because then they kind of get lost in all of the language that's presented. All right, so this is how I would do it if we were going to do this puzzle. Okay. Do you want bus or train? Bus or train? You can repeat the options if they don't respond. And like I mentioned earlier, the type of response you're targeting is going to depend on the level of the child. If they happen to grab both items, you're holding the items, so it's important that you continue to keep your grasp on them. Just kind of pull them back a little bit, offer the choices again, showing them that, oh, we're just picking one, we're not picking both. Offer them singly, and then if they grab them both again, then you make the choice for them and hand them the object. Well, I hope that was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this little tip. I hope that everyone is staying healthy and that we get to see you back at the clinic very, very soon. Bye.